In the Ask step of the call, you should be prepared to ask for a pledge 3 times. Why? More than half of the gifts many phone programs secure come from the second or third ask. As you go into your first ask, go in with confidence. Expect to get the pledge. Visualize the pledge in your mind. Your school is doing amazing things and you are giving the prospect an opportunity to be a part of that important work. Your manager will have identified specific amounts for each ask. Your job is to ask the prospect to consider those specific amounts. For the purposes of this lesson, we'll use $100, $50, and $20.11 for our 3 asks. Your first ask should have these following components. Introduce the ask with a transition sentence from the case discussion. In light of the great things happening at my school, the school is asking you to consider a gift of $100. May we count on your $100 commitment this evening? Your next responsibility is to be quiet and allow the prospect to consider your request. If the prospect says yes, go to the closing step of the call. If the answer is no, tie the no to either the amount of the pledge or the reason the prospect is saying no, not the overall idea of giving to the school. Proceed to the second ask. The second ask has these components. Acknowledge the objection with these 2 words, "I understand." Group the prospect with the others who have expressed that objection, in grad school, paying off student loans, retired, etc. Or group the prospect with others who are uncomfortable committing $100. I have heard from others who are also deliver another pride point or fact that points to how crucial their financial support is. Make the second ask by saying, "Knowing this, others have felt more comfortable with a gift of $50. Is a $50 gift something we can count on this evening?" If yes, go to the closing step. If no, tell the prospect you need 1 more minute of their time. Introduce the importance of being counted as a donor, regardless of the pledge amount. Ask for a participation gift that your manager has identified. Oftentimes, the third ask equals a penny in honor of the year the school was founded or the year the prospect graduated. A 2011 grad would be asked for $20.11. Acknowledge the prospect's answer and go to the closing step of the call.